To start off with, using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, I just marked off the parts of my face that I wanted to be the pumpkin. I then painted these sections in with an orange face paint. I then went into a darker orange face paint and created a shadow by painting a thin line around the edge. I did my makeup as normal in the centre of my face, adding foundation, concealer and eye makeup as well. I then went into this taupe coloured bronzer powder and I just contoured my face as well as I could in the circumstances. I then went into a black face paint and I painted in the pumpkin eye. Also painted a thin line down the divide in the pumpkin face and my normal face to create this 3D shadow effect. I then went into a white face paint and I started to paint in skull teeth. Don't ask me why it's a skull, I just wanted it to be a pumpkin skull. So there you go, I started to paint in the teeth and the jaw area. Using a brown eyeshadow, I shaded lines down the sections of the face that were the pumpkin to create the kind of ridges that you have in a pumpkin. I also painted in some little cracks to make it like a skull. White paint I highlighted around the pumpkin eye and also around the cracks just to make them look a bit more 3D. Started to paint like super fine crack lines coming from both sides of the face so it kind of looks like the face is peeling away. Using a brown eyeshadow, I shaded right up to the edge of these areas, but just making sure I left a white area around the edge. And then I went into a black eyeshadow and shaded in the sides of the pumpkin. And this just kind of makes it look like it's set back from the skin part of my face. I then applied this like bright orange lipstick by FOXY and I popped in some contact lenses from Tops Face Lenses. I have a discount code so I'll leave that down below for you, and I also put on some eyelashes. This look was inspired by a creepy Valentine's Day look I did a few years ago, so I'll insert a picture of that and show you. And this is the finished look. I'm just getting a bit in the mood for Halloween now. I was going to kind of post this over October, but I thought I'll just post it a bit before because people seem to be interested in seeing my Halloween tutorials. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye!